In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create equal splits in Splitwise. If you've ever gone on a trip with friends or shared regular expenses like rent, utilities, or dinners out, you know how messy it can get to track who owes what. Splitwise is designed to make that simple, and one of the most common things you'll do in the app is split an expense equally among a group. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to add an expense and make sure it's divided evenly between the people involved. First, open Splitwise and go to the group or friend where you want to add the expense. Once you're on that page, look for the button that says Add an Expense. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for recording anything you've paid for on behalf of others. Next, you'll see a form where you can fill in the details of the expense. Here, type in a clear description so everyone knows what this charge is for, like groceries, dinner, or hotel. Then, enter the total amount that was paid. Make sure this is the entire cost of the bill, not just your share. You can also adjust who paid the bill if needed, so if someone else in the group covered the cost, select that person as the payer. Now that the basics are filled in, look for the option that controls how the expense is split. By default, Splitwise usually tries to split things evenly, but to be sure, you'll want to click on the Equally option. This opens the splitting settings and shows each person's share. Inside this section, you'll see a small icon that looks like an equal sign or a split equally button. Click on that icon to automatically divide the total amount into equal parts for everyone included in the expense. Splitwise will calculate each person's share for you, so you don't need to do any math yourself. If someone shouldn't be part of this particular bill, you can remove them from the split before confirming. Once everything looks correct and each person's share is showing the same amount, scroll down and click on Save. This will add the expense to your group or friend page and update everyone's balances right away. And that's all you need to do to create equal splits in Splitwise.